Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can add captions to your videos on TikTok. So hit that plus button, record a video, or go to upload and find a video you'd like to add a caption to. I'm going to select this one. Then I'm going to select captions right here and wait for the audio to upload and process. So while this generates, I just want to say this is good because some people can enable it, some people can turn it off too. You can also edit the text if the caption, some of the words came out incorrectly. You can do that by clicking on the caption. Hopefully this uploads a little bit faster because it's been really slow. So let's just wait until, oh, here it is. As you can see here, you can edit the caption by clicking on the part of the caption, and you want to edit it, you can do that. You can also press play to listen to yourself again and what words the caption got wrong, and once you're done, you're just going to press save and it's going to be there. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!